Hey, today I'm sharing with you part 2 of what I'm baking here in the kitchen for you, the family here, and I'm sharing it with you here on the channel. Part 2 is that I'm making some of our sweet potato little mini pies, okay? And some of the pies will be also in some of the little pans that you see around in the stores as well. So I have put all of that together in the video here for part 2. Okay, the sweet potatoes and everything that goes into making an actual sweet potato pie. Okay, so I'm making a smaller version, handheld, so that way the family can enjoy them individually. Okay, all right, and I'm sharing it with you. All right, so what I've already done is prepared the crust, okay, as you can see here. All right, in our little muffin pan, and also the sweet potato mixture that I prepared. I will be sure to list all of the ingredients for the sweet potato, okay, pie, should you try to make this dish. Okay, all right, so we're gonna focus now on getting our last crust into our pan, and we're gonna scoop the sweet potatoes into the pan. All right, so hang tight while we get ready to do that. Okay, now that we have positioned our tray like we wanted, okay, we're getting ready to start dipping our mixture into our pie shell here. Okay, so what I've done is basically rolled out the little circular ones, and I took one of just the little tin pans here and just placed it on top like that, and just press into the dough like that. That's all you have to do, right? And you can find these little tin pans like this in baking areas of your local store, should you try to make these. Okay, and then you just go back. If you have a cookie cutter, it's easier, and you take your knife here and go around the outer edges like that. Just turn it. There you go. All right, and you take this one just like that and just place it into the pan, and I'm going to shift this over so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. All right, let's do it like that. Just push it into the pan like that, and it will take shape itself. Okay, and then you just press it to the sides of the pan. Okay, and just press it into place gently, because you don't want to tear your dough. Okay, all right, so now they are ready. Okay, and we're going to start scooping our sweet potato mixture here into each of these. Try not to overload it. Go through each one of them, just like that. Okay, because they're going to rise, so you don't want to overflow it. Or should I say overload, so it overflows. Okay, so yeah. Alright. Okay, and go ahead and get all of that out of there. this out. So make sure I get all of it out of there. Now these are going to be put into the oven to bake, okay, at 350 for a good 45 minutes, okay. Make sure I get all that up there. Okay. Get every little spoonful out of there. And like I say, it's gonna rise, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it not rising enough to give the fullness that you're looking for. All right. Okay. All right. Just enough for that. Just enough. Okay, and I'm gonna smooth this around, and we'll come back once everything is finished baking, and I will show you exactly what they look like. Okay, so stay tuned. All right. Okay, guys, we are back in our little sweet potato mini pies are finished. I've taken some shots already of the pies, and I will upload those along with the video so you'll know exactly what they look like. This is a side view here. Okay, that's what they look like. Okay, it's full. All right, so now I'll show you exactly what they look like in the pan as well. There we go. All right. Okay, that's all I got, guys. Thank you for hanging in there with me while we finished part 2 of our mini pies. All right, then we're going to be serving along with our New Year's.
New Year's?
That's right, New Year's brunch, dinner. Yes, that's what we're going to be having for dessert along with the mini cheesecakes that I made in the first video, which was part 1. Okay, you can make these 2 things throughout the whole month of January, or when you feel like you want to make it. All right, now make sure I put everything in the content and the video for you guys. All right, so that way you'll have everything at your fingertips to be able to make all of these excellent snacks. All right, yes, that's my crumb snatchers behind the video here, laughing while I make this video. But anyway, you guys go out and have a great one. The Lord bless. We'll see you in the next video. Have a happy New Year. Be safe. And we'll get kicking off with new videos for you guys in the new year coming up, okay? All right, guys. We'll see you later.
Funny.
Laura's been had that over for a minute.
Okay, guys, so now what we're gonna do is finish up these little mini sweet potato pies here that you see in front of me. I am taking some egg wash and going around the edges of the pie. Now, as you know, the egg wash will seal the moisture in and also create a sheen or shininess to the pie edges, okay? So it gives you that golden brown look that you see. All right, guys, so now I'm going to be sure that I put the recipe for my sweet potato pies in the video as well, and in the contents for you guys, okay? That way you'll know exactly what I use in the measurements and everything for the videos, okay? All right, so now that we are just about finished with this, we're going to place these in the oven, preheated oven at that, okay, for about 40 minutes to 45 minutes, and I'll check them at that point to see if they need any more time because they're so small. Normally a full pie would take like an hour to hour and 15 minutes to bake. So, but with these, you know, being small as they are, may not require all of that time. All right, and they're going to be at 350 degrees. Okay. All right, guys, so we're going to do that. I'll bring them back and show you exactly what the finished product looks like. All right, stay tuned.